G'day team, Uncle Jojo, warm Jika to another rip roaring episode. We are looking at, once again, cutting the nose of our sausages for our sausage gun and tooting along. Thank you, Hunky. So, what we're going to look at today, last time I showed you this trick, I used a Stanley knife to cut the nose off. Today, I have got some nail pinchers, but they're brand new and you can see that there's no teeth marks taken out. So it's a nice, clean, crisp edge. And all I need to do then is put it over the edge of that silicone gun underneath the nipple. I'll show you that a little bit closer. Ooh, he said nipple. So there's my nipple, okay? So that's my metal bracket just there. What I want to do is put the teeth over the top of it, just underneath. You can see I'm just underneath that, and all we do is just clip it straight off. So that stays nice and closed the whole time. Yeah, beautiful, ripper. Thanks, Uncle Jojo, you're amazing. Sure. Next, what we do is we just drop her in, and I like just to slightly twist it as I put it in. Just don't push straight down, it's likely to come through the end. When we get it to that point there, we stop and we put the nose of that inside. So that fits perfectly, and then this just sits straight over the top. And you can see there that the top of the tube is actually inside. That's where that little red and black bit is. Then all we need to do, tighten that up, push that, give that a good push, and then we know that that is not going to slip down inside the sausage gun at all. That's pushed up nice and hard, that's nice and tight, that's nice and hardy, and then we just start squeezing. You can see that stuff coming up there. Ripper, reader, perfect. Then take off the pressure, bish bash bosh, Uncle Jojo's amazing, and that's done. So it is quick and easy, just kind of like me. Any questions or queries about loading a sausage gun, flick them over, I'll answer them for you best I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching. Like always, team, stay on real banana pills, and I'll see you in the soup.